Packing light but still want glowing skin? Today I'm showing you my travel friendly skincare and daily essentials kit that fits in any bag, whether it's your office, college, or a weekend trip. Okay, so first is this Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisture 48 hours long lasting with Vaseline Jelly Serum and Lotion for dry skin. इसका कॉस्ट 49 रुपीज़ है एंड क्वांटिटी इज़ 40 ml. Maximum shelf life is 36 months and is ideal for both men and women. It keeps my skin hydrated especially during travel and AC environments. ना सेम फार्मूला आपको इससे भी छोटी बॉटल में मिलता है जिसकी क्वांटिटी है 20 ml एंड प्राइस 10 रुपीज़ है. नेक्स्ट इज़ द स्किन बाय टाइटन सेलेस्ट ADP फॉर विमेन मिनी परफ्यूम. इसका प्राइस 555 समथिंग है जो आपको अमेजोन नाइका फ्लिपकार्ट पर इजीली मिल जाएगा और क्वांटिटी 20 ml है. I never skip a good fragrance. This one is super compact, smells elegant and perfect for quick refreshes on the go. Sunscreen is non-negotiable and this one is super travel friendly. This is minimalist skin science sunscreen mini. 149 में आपको 10 ml of product मिलता है. This is lightweight, broad spectrum, PA4+, water and sweat resistance, clinically tested. SPF 50 है with 4 photostable UV filters which is suitable for all skin types. It is non-comedogenic, essential oil free and fragrance free which is good for sensitive skin as well. Easily blend हो जाता है and plus कोई भी white cast नहीं छोड़ता. And trust me, this is the best sunscreen I have ever tried. Hygiene essentials में I have this lifebuoy hand sanitizer. I always keep a sanitizer which is super important for me. ये 50 ml of product आपको 25 रुपीज़ में मिलता है जिसकी शेल्फ लाइफ 36 months है. This is alcohol based and recommended uses hand. Next is this nivea soft light moisturizing cream which is suitable for body, hands and face. ये 25 ml of product आपको 55 रुपीज़ में मिलता है. It is light, non-sticky formula, quick absorption and again non-comedogenic. This is a vegan formula so no animal derived ingredients. Put it on your palms to spread evenly, gently massage all over face and body. It's perfect for everyday use without feeling greasy. इन प्रोडक्ट्स की खास बात ये है कि ये आपको ईजिली अपने आसपास फार्मेसी में मिल जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज़ दिस OG boroplus आयुर्वेदिक एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम फॉर फेस, हैंड्स एंड बॉडी. 24 आवर मॉइस्चराइजेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. नो पैराबेन. 6 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट जिसकी शेल्फ लाइफ 36 मंथ्स है एंड प्राइस इज़ 10 रुपीज़. दिस इज़ एनरिच्ड विद 10 सुपर हर्ब्स, तुलसी, नीम, चंदन, एलोवेरा एंड चैप्ड लिप्स, क्रैक्ड हील्स, कट्स एंड रैशेस के लिए आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I also use this as an overnight lip mask for the perfect soft lips in the morning. Next one is again the Vaseline Skin Protecting Jelly Original, an OG product with multivitamins. 5.5 grams of product cost 5 rupees. Shelf life 36 months hai. Used for moisturization and nourishment, ideal for both men and women. The multi-purpose hero for lips, dry patches, cuticles and everything. बाकी तो इसकी क्या ही तारीफ करूँ मैं. You all are very well familiar with this. Next in the list is the streax hair serum which is vitalized with walnut oil. It controls frizz instantly which is perfect for humid days or travel. इसका cost 25 rupees, quantity 10 ml है and shelf life is 36 months. It helps detangle hair. आपको बस few drops लेनी है palm पे and rub it gently. Apply evenly across the length of hair and can use on dry or damp hair. Next we have is Himalaya Dark Spot Clearing Turmeric Facewash. It is known to boost skin radiance and reduces dark spots. This is enriched with cold pressed turmeric extract which is organically sourced turmeric. इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ भी 36 मंथ्स है. क्वांटिटी 15 ml एंड इसका प्राइस 25 रुपीज़ है. The good part is this is paraben, phthalate, soap, SLS and SLES free. At last we have a mini comb, a nude mini scrunchie and a medium round claw clip. These small accessories make such a big difference for quick touch-ups. Now that's my complete travel skincare and essentials kit. Everything is compact, affordable, and super practical. Let me know in the comments what's one thing you can't travel without. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real, non sponsored recommendations. Bye bye.